what's up? Ella here. I hope you're having a great unicorn day. And today I will show you a tour of my room. And here in a couple seconds, I will tell you some things about me over there. Now, and I will show you some before and some after pictures of my old room. And I will show you some before and some afters of my brother's room. And let's get straight into the video. So, my YouTube name, if you didn't know, is EB Unicorn. My real name is Ella Jones. And this is called About Me Questions. And then my mom wrote this. I don't know what that means. And dance a song. Okay. And hashtag Dance Unicorn. Write that down below. So, how old are you? I'm 7. What state do you live in? West Virginia. What is my favorite color? Blue. What is my favorite food? Fruit. Hobby? Ballet. Brand? Cat and Jack. Book? Fancy Nancy. Song? Havana. Animal? Turtle. And P.S. my mythical favorite is unicorn. And my favorite class is math. Sorry if I talk a little fast. I do that sometimes. So, before we do our tour, I want to show you some before and some after pictures. So follow me over here. Let me get the pictures up. Okay. Here is before of my bed.
Hold on.
Okay. And now I'll show you some afters of my brother's room. Sorry if his bed was a little messy. We didn't really think about that. Okay, I think this is the last picture. Oh, no. Okay, here is some befores of our playroom, which is now my brother's room, if you didn't already know. Because I don't think I told you guys. And then that's it. So, I will show you some nows of my bed. It might look a little bit more, it might look a little bit different, and it's still kind of the same. I kept my bed sheets and everything. But here's my bed, if you'll follow me over here. I have bunk beds. The top is see, sorry. But the top has feathered, down here has pink. And you might notice this chair as my brother's. It has my comfy cow, and then it has my favorite stuffed animal, my Pandy. Okay, if you'll follow me over here. I have my study chair, and then I have my thing, and now I have drawers, pink ones, yay! I use this for playing school. That's a little fact about me. And I used to have a small TV, now I have a big one, yay! So you already saw my light bulb, my board, and a few seconds ago. here's the table. This was in my playroom. As you can notice it, these chairs were downstairs in my basement. And then I have this. This is messy because my dad didn't hang this up, but we have my drawers. And if you will follow me over here, that is all we have for today. I hope you enjoyed and have a unicorn-licious day.